Now, the truth is, we have been waiting for Coinbase for so long, and Teruna Classic are also working hard to get their coins on Coinbase. Yes, and I believe it will work. Yes, it will work. Though so many people, Teruna Classic community has been mounting pressure on Coinbase. They have been asking Coinbase to list Teruna Classic LLC. Now, for me, I think that Luna will get listed on Coinbase. Yes, it will get listed on Coinbase. But remember that right now, at the time of recording this, Teruna Classic is not really doing well. So normally, not just Coinbase, most exchanges would not like to list Teruna Classic at the moment. Okay, so normally they are supposed to list Teruna Classic when Luna is actually doing well. Even for Coinbase, they almost listed Teruna Classic as of about 5 months ago. That was about 6 months or 5 months ago. Coinbase almost listed Teruna Classic back again. But because of Luna constant dropping in price, remember that before the end of last year, Teruna Classic market cap was trading at over $1.4 billion, okay? And today we are talking about just a little bit over 400. So almost $1 billion have been pulled out. So this is some of the things that has been affecting Teruna Classic getting listed on Coinbase and even getting listed on other top exchanges. But I still believe that yes, even if not this year, let's say next year, 2024, I believe Luna will get itself listed. The reason why I so much believe that Teruna Classic will be listed on Coinbase is for the fact that this coin is ranked among the top 100. Now, I checked Coinbase, discovered that most coins that are ranked among the top 100 is being listed on Binance, is being listed on top exchanges, even including Coinbase. Okay, so there's a possibility that if they remain at that top 100, or if they keep rising, keep pushing up, okay, I believe that finally Teruna Classic will get itself on Coinbase. Coinbase, they are out there because it's just because of what happened to Teruna Classic that made Coinbase to like, okay, we don't know where this coin is going. And I still believe they're still looking at Duno, are still looking at the problem or the issue between Duno and Coinbase. So maybe by the time all these are sorted out, by the time they know the future of Teruna Classic, what is next, then they will decide to if they are going to list Teruna Classic or not. But for me, I can see more positive coming from this. I can see them listing Teruna Classic if every issue concerning Duno ends up good, ends up nicely for Teruna Classic. Then I believe Coinbase will definitely list Teruna Classic LLC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.